Oh, I forgot. So, welcome back to this channel. My name is DJ Dadula and andito tayo doing a freestyle. Okay? Kasi you need to see the actual kapag tayo gumagawa ng system. And here, we will learn together paano gumawa ng AI chatbots. Okay? So, we're using Pancake because Pancake is widely known dito sa Philippines. And in fact, this is the #1 platform. Okay? So, kung wala ka pang sa Pancake, make sure to click the subscription and get your free trial now. Meron ka pang 20% off. Okay? So, now, if bago ka lang dito, just comment kung you're just new here. And if it's comeback, then say hi. Okay, so ngayon, we will learn and we will see paano ba ngayon gumagana ang AI sa Pancake. Okay, so uunahin natin is ano yung nangyayari inside Pancake now. Okay, so since then, no, sa madaming years, Pancake has been helping a lot of businesses, lalo na sa e-commerce, but also sa mga service businesses. So, ngayon, if you're here and let's say gumagamit ka ng madaming AI o gumagamit ka ng like ChatGPT or Claude, and nangyayari is you are also learning how to automate your chats, hindi yung pag-create lang ng bots. Okay, so this is also an update na ano ba nangyayari sa Pancake ngayon. So, if you are a business owner, let's say you're an agency, let's say you're doing consultancy or nag-start ka na uh, gamitin yung system o naghahanap ka ng system either para sa iyong clients or para sa business mo to, you know, automate it para syempre gusto mong matanggal ang oras sa'yo and then masolve yung problem mo. Let's say yung problem mo is lead acquisition kapag gabi hindi mo nakukuha. Then I think this is for you. Just stay and learn with me. Okay? So, I'm not sure who is watching pero comment below, no? Comment lang kayo dito sa live view natin and you are free to share this kasi we will have a lot of live videos again, no? In the coming days. So ngayon, if you have questions and you have a special request, just just comment mo lang yan. I-type mo lang yan sa ating chat or comment dito sa video so that I can accommodate you. Right? So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is I will show you yung Pancake right now. So, syempre, we have a beautiful uh, website nila ngayon. At ang maganda dito is hindi lang kayang i-organize ni Pancake yung chats mo sa different channels. Pag sinabing channel, meron kang Facebook, meron kang Instagram, meron kang YouTube, meron kang um, Shopee, meron kang Lazada. Lahat ng mga chats kasi doon, you can actually manage. Pag sinabing manage, centralized lang lahat. Pwede mong hayain yung iyong mga team, yung buong team mo, buong company, na sumasagot kayo sa mga chats, concerns, support, marketing, sales, operations. So, lahat ng yan is, ito yung mismong main function at main work ng Pancake. So, if you don't know yet, Pancake is 2 in a row na #1 developer ni Meta. Okay, so we're pushing a lot of algorithm, nag-improve lahat ng conversational marketing, conversational commerce because of what Pancake has done. Okay, now meron din silang mobile device, mobile app sa App Store and Google Play. You can check that out. At dumami na over the years, dumami na yung mga good feedback, positive ones, and clients ni Pancake. Actually, when we started with Pancake, no, from year 2019, 2020, our goal is to increase it to have a 1,000 customer base. Pero lumampas na, okay? So, if you're not one of them yet, check out the description and make sure to get your free trial. 14-day yan. Pero if you sign up with my code, which is CHAMP20, you can get more. At meron ka pa mga bonuses. So, same thing. Kung si Pancake is a centralized management ng mga socials, your CRM, magkakakonect yan, webcake, okay? yung mga POS nyo, and then your chatbot, no? And even Pancake work. It means parang itong mga Asana at Trello. So parang you want to manage your team, then this is for you. Okay? So now, to let you know, no, hindi pa rin nagbago yung pricing ni Pancake. You will only pay Pancake if you grow. So, if we see the pricing here, bakit important pinapakita ko yung price? Kasi yung iba, they don't really understand and appreciate. So, if you're using apps like yung mga global apps na yan, actually ang daming limit nun. Limit sa customers, limit sa channels, but here, you grow or pay only when you grow. So, meron silang mga standard like 3 months. Isipin mo, for 1,290, every 3 months na yun. Okay? Nakatipid ka, example ito, nakatipid ka ng 600 pesos. Why? If monthly mo siya babayaran, actually 450 lang yun. Pero kung every 3 months ka, nakakatipid ka pa ng 610, less mo pa ng 20%. So let's say your business is hindi isa o tatlong tatlong staff or admin. So madami kang team. Let's say you want to expand. Let's say isang page lang, let's say isa lang yung business niyo pero nasa uh, 15 na yung mga team mo. Then you're only paying every 3 months of 9,930, then minus 20% for using my code CHAMP20. Siyempre, the best way to maximize is using the 12 months. Okay. Mas malaki ang discount. Okay, doon na tayo. So, magsa-sign in ako dito. And I'll show you, no, yung ating mga use cases. Alright, so I'll be showing you itong aking page. Nasaan na ba yan? Then mag-build tayo. Okay? Hanapin ko lang yung aking ready na page, which is, connect natin. Connect tayo, and then we'll be connecting, research natin, restart natin yung connection. So welcome sa mga nanonood ngayon. No? So comment lang if you have questions and if you're enjoying the show. So kinonect ko na, and then dapat nandito na yung isa kong account. Hindi ko makita. Okay. Hindi ko makita si Coach DJ. So Coach DJ, where are you? Ulit ko lang. Kukonect lang natin ulit. And then tayo sa Facebook. And then reconnect. Yun. Okay, so continue tayo dito. To all, continue. Dito lang tayo para mag-connect sa Pancake. Very easy. Okay, so now, gagawin natin, kukonek ako sa page na aking pang-test, which is ito, Coach DJ of Pancake. So here, you can see, meron akong connected na CRM. Okay? So yung CRM ko, yan, I don't know if you can see. I think you can't. Dalawahin natin. No? I don't think you can see it. So gagawin ko, remove ko muna. And you'll see share screen tayo. Ito yung CRM. So ito yung CRM. No? This is the CRM. And then you can see na dito yung mga leads. And so meron ka ng CRM. Actually, this is free. So don't take free as cheap. No? Free is letting you leverage sa buong system ni Pancake. Pero hindi yan ang aking topic ngayon. Okay, so ang topic natin actually is tanggalin natin, stop screen share. Babalik tayo sa Pancake. So ang gusto kong pakita dito is the power of AI. Okay. So if you can notice here, meron ditong AI assistant. Boom. Okay? So itong AI mode, okay, yung AI assistant will help your team. Yun, will help your team to have an AI assisted responses. So bakit mahalaga to? So imagine, no, if you're a business owner at madami kang team and gusto mo ng consistent na pagsagot based sa pangkalahatan. So if you have different team you manage o yung mga staff mo, yung mga VA, okay, yung mga freelancers na nag-chat sa page to accommodate sales, marketing, or support customer service, you want unity and consistency pagdating sa answers. So let's say sa 200 na chats per day, okay? Let's say sa 200 chats per day, hold on. Let's say sa 200 chats per day, 10% yung nagko-convert. And tatanungin natin yung team, okay, make sure na meron tayong script that will really convert. So instead na pwede mo bang ilista, i-audit mo yung best reply nung mga nag-convert. Let's say tulog sila, o kaya hanapin pa kasi every staff or admin na sumasagot dito, ganyan, no? Sumasagot dito, they can only see or they can see all ng mga chats. Kasi depende yan. Usually, kapag malaki ang team, they can only see yung chat na naka-assign sa kanila. Yun ang kagandahan sa Pancake. You can set, no? The business can set kung lahat lang ba na naka-assign sa kanya na automatic na inassign or yung manually inassign ng dispatcher o ng mismong team leader. Pwede yan. Okay? Or depende kung anong journey siya o na-assign sa kanya. Or kinuha niya yun. So, yun lang yung makikita niya. Now, since kanya-kanya ang nakikita, so, ang kagandahan kapag meron tayong AI assistant is pangkalahatang chat ng buong page na-learn ng AI. Okay? Natitrain siya, nai-improve yung quality ng mga answers. So, ano sabihin yan? So, load na lang natin muna yung Pancake AI, okay, yung AI assistant natin. Yung load na yan is actually a minimum of $10. Okay? Gagawin mo lang, attach mo na yung credit card mo. I have a special video for that. No? I-attach mo. Pag naka-attach na siya, magkakaroon ka ng mga suggestions. Ito. Okay? So, normally, ang chats is ganito lang. Okay? So, let's say, ito lang, mag-reply yung mga support. Hello. Pero hindi ako makaka-reply dito. So, papakita ko. Kasi hindi ako makaka-reply kasi lampas na to ng 7 days, I think. Pwede pa. Kaka-test ko lang pala. Alright, so, I think hindi pwede. Ayan, nag-load. Nag-send ba? Ayan, nag-load na. Okay, so ayan yung mga testing natin. Last is April, so lampas na. Pero nag-send naman siya, wala namang problema. Okay, so makita mo dito na where in yung reply. So ang gagawin ko is mag-open ako ng other Facebook na naka-login yan. So hanapin ko, sino ba yung naka-login na yan? Sino ba to? Siko. Okay. So hanapin ko yung account na yan because yun yung mga test account ko. Hello pala sa mga nanonood dyan. So let me know if you have questions. So, hi po. How to learn Pancake. So yan, may mag-chat, no? Sabi, hello po, how to learn Pancake. Dito. Ayan. So, makita natin na very neutral yan. Pero if we enable yung Pancake AI assistant, ito, meron tayong 3 reply suggestions. And then makikita natin, let agents select conversations to train the AI. Okay, ayan. So ito, when a customer sends a message, magkakaroon tayo ng suggestion. right? And then enable natin yung customer sentiment, okay, for the last 10 messages. So yung ibig sabihin nito, nade-detect ng AI kung ano ba yung emotion niya, okay? Yung during that last 10 messages, okay? Real time ito. So susubukan natin. Pasok tayo ulit sa conversation and then tingnan natin dito. Makikita mo na meron dito ang automatic sentiment detection. At andito yung suggested reply. So subukan natin. Replyan ko 'to, ano po business nila? So mag-chat lang tayo sa ating sarili para matutunan natin 'to, okey? Alright, ang sasagot ko diyan, meron po kami resorts. Ah, may service po ba kayo for this? So makita mo dito, nagbago siya, oh. Customer is asking question politely and showing interest. Ito naman, nagtatanong ko tungkol sa serbisyo para sa kanilang resort. So, if let's say you're answering, no, yung team mo is nag-a-answer ng madami, ang gagawin niya, hindi niya na kailangan basahin lahat. So, titignan niya lang dito at mababasa niya yung sentiment, no, yung emotion, tsaka yung intent niya. So ito, tatanong customer tungkol sa serbisyo para sa kanilang resort business. Papakita ng interest at curiosity. So itong emoji na 'to is interest and curiosity. So ngayon, dito pa lang, may idea na yung staff o yung admin mo how to navigate into chatting in this customer, okay? Tapos sa baba, makita mo meron na tayong suggestion. So ngayon, saan 'to nakukuha? Since yung kabuuan ng account na ito is about me sharing how to build, manage, and deploy systems na makakatulong sa business. So that's why yung mga sagot niya is about puwede kong i-cater kasi I cater clients na merong resorts. Okay, let's say you're a business owner, meron kang resort, meron kang mga Airbnb, mga ganyan. So I can help you, parang gano'n. So nakita mo meron tayong suggestion, tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng suggestions nito, eh. Hello po, salamat sa pag-share na may resorts po kayo. Oo, may services po kami na pwede makatulong sa business niyo. Tingnan natin yung isa. Puwede po namin wala ko nakikita niyan. So, medyo maliit pala. So, palakihin ko lang. So, palakihin natin yung font nito. So, ayan. Puwede po namin i-set up ang smart messaging assistant para sa research niyo. Kung gusto niyo po ng demo or karagdagang info, sabihin niyo lang po. So, itong mga suggestions na 'to, based sa ano yung naging effective na nakakuha ng high converting lead or nakakuha ng sales. So, hindi na kailangang mag-isip ng, paano ko 'to qualify kasi meron ka ng clue. Tatanong ng customer tungkol sa serbisyo para sa kanilang resorts, business. Nagpapakita ng interest at curiosity. Okay? Ito pa, maraming salamat po sa pagtatanong. Kung may specific na kailangan kayo para sa resorts, message nyo lang anytime. So ito maganda, pwede pa namin set up ang smart messaging nyo. Ito, reply ko na 'to. Then pag in-enter ko, okay, makikita yan ng customer. Talaga, may reply ako, may gumawa kasi sa amin, umabot ng 50K, gano'n. Tapos 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 2 months ang development, pero wala kaming sales. Tapos iniwan kami after. Naku, tignan natin yung sentiment 'no, kung yun ang kanyang sinend. Uy, nagbago yung itsura, alright, 'di ba? Napakaganda nito. So, nagbago yung itsura, customer is disappointed and frustrated due to previous poor service and lack of sales. Map to sad. Because the tone is more about dissatisfaction and disappointment than anger. Now, paano mo sasagutin yan? If you are, ikaw yung magka-chat, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip. Okay? Hahanap tayo sa tatlong suggestion. So, clear ko lang, no? Gumagamit yan ng token. Okay? Pero sobrang mura lang yan. Kaya hindi mo masyado mapapansin yung usage ng tokens na yan kasi sobrang mura lang. So parang like point something peso lang yung ginagastos niya. And then you can also adjust yung mga yan. Pwedeng sentiment niya for, latest 10 messages or latest yung mismong ano niya. And then you can also suggest images na isi-send kung meron ka mga images na nakalagay. Okay? Now, pwede mo siyang i-train. Ito yun mismong way para i-train yung AI mo. So, bakit ko nasabi na pwede mong i-train? So, dito mangyayari yung tinatawag na AI training. So, sa lahat ng mga AI and GPT, LLM, para mag-work siya sa'yo ng maayos, tama, accurate, more accurate, parang ganun, and hindi ka masistress sa kung ano sinasabi, you need to train your AI. So right now, dapat alam po natin na hindi lahat ng AI is perfect. Actually, wala ngang perfect na AI. Claim din yan ng mga ng mga GPTs natin. So hindi yan perfect, pwede magkamali yan. So parang kailangan alamin natin kung paano ito magiging benefit sa atin. So dapat i-train natin siya on specific question and answer at yung mga context. So madali naman. So sabi ko nga, kaya niyang basahin yung buong business page tapos yung mga conversations. Doon niya unang learn yun. Mabilis lang nangyari yun. So parang nabasa niya lahat ng conversation. Yun yung advantage kapag naka-Pancake AI tayo, kapag naka-AI assistant within Pancake. Kasi hindi mo na kailangan i-train, hindi katulad ng mga GPT, let's say, AI, kailangan mo siyang i-train. Pero here, magagamit mo siya actively kung yung staff mo ang magre-reply, hindi chatbot, hindi yung automatic. Kung staff na magre-reply. So, nangyayari ito if meron kung parang closing na o yung parang customer service, hindi mo pa-handle yan sa AI, sa chatbot kasi kailangan niya ng totoong human interaction. But, assisted siya ng AI kapag naka-Pancake tayo. Okay? So, yung advantage natin. So, let's say ito yung ano niya, ito yung sinabi niya, Let's say sentence 1, address yourself as I and the customer as sir, madam. Parang gano'n. Kasi parang Filipino to Always greet, always say thank you. And then sentence 2, let's say for a formal tone, cheers, the end. So, pwede mo siyang, pwede mo siyang matrain itong mga to. Okay? So, meron kang parang reply list kasi iba-iba to So, pwede mo siyang, meron naman tayong suggested na example, katulad nito, sentence 1, say target is teenagers, double for 16. So, ito yung mga suggestions. Okay, since meron tayong tatlong suggestions, ano yun? Tatlo, ilan ba yung pinasuggest ko? Ito. 3 suggestion, yung mga yan, okay, may customize tayo na tatlo. So, pwede mo siyang iba-ibahin. Yan yung sample, pwede mo copy mo lang yan, pagdating dito, i-paste mo. Then that's all. Sisave mo na lang siya. So, may guide din siya na pwede mong gawin. Or, pwede ka magpatulong kay ChatGPT or sa Claude na gusto mo para maglagay ng sentence ito. That's how flexible it is. Pero actually, kahit wala yan, you can actually use yung default lang kasi na-learn niya na inside. No? So ngayon, pag click natin itong training, kukunin niya lahat ng mga 200 conversation. Okay? At least the interaction between customer and target. So, training natin, kunyari, conversation is 200. Allow AI to access messages. Yung mga yan. And then, click start. So, ang wallet natin is 5.34. And then, tingnan natin kung magkano mag-train ng AI sa ating page. Kasi itong page ito, maliit lang naman to Hindi naman to very, very active. Pero, meron na siyang mga enough na data naman na pwede niyo matutunan. Yun. So, kita mo, parang wala pang bawas So, nag-train siya until, and you can wait until train is complete to get best result. Okay. So, ngayon, balik tayo sa conversation habang nag-training siya. So, ito na. Yun pa rin, Yun pa rin yung kanyang sentiment. And then, sabi natin, maraming business ang nagkakaroon ng magandang problema. Marami po namin iniwalad kung paano. Gusto niyo pong malaman, demo, sabihin na para mapakita namin proseso. Ito, reply natin to. Okay, reply natin yan. And then, boom. Ayun. Okay. Paano ba kayo mag-service? Ilang days and how much? Yan. Tatanong tayo ng price, tsaka yung delivery nila, no? Then you will see kung mag-change, sentiment. Nagle-learn pa kasi siya. So, tingnan natin, no? Nagle-learn pa siya. So, yun pa rin yung sentiment. Yun maganda kasi hindi siya yung pabago-bago. Siyempre, ang context niya, yun pa din. So, natatandaan ng AI yun. So, ikaw, as someone na magre-reply, you will have more, stable picture na, okay, ganito ko siya dapat sagutin kasi hindi naman ako nagbago. So, and then, tignan natin yung suggestion niya. So, nawawala yung suggestion kasi nagti-training tayo. Let's say, ay po, sa Pancake, mabilis lang setup smart assistant. Karaniwan 3 days depende sa requirements, affordable po ang service at walang hidden charges. Kung gusto nyo, Italian demo, sabihin lang po. Din-reply natin yan, huwag kayong mahiya. Kasi gamitin natin yung power ng AI. Since nabasa niya na yung mga services. So it means, I was answering, or my bot, or me, was answering like this sa page ito. Kasi dito rin ako, dito ko makausap yung mga clients ko, no, for the past, I think, 3 years na to. Kasi ginagamit ko 'to pang demo and then dito rin ako, kino-contact ng mga clients ko. So let's say, sige po, how? Vacant ako, yan. So natin kung magbabago yung sentiment kasi medyo positive na ako. So hindi pa siya, refresh natin, hindi pa kasi siya nagbabago. Ayun pa rin. So it means nag-stick siya dun. Okay, great. Sabihin niyo lang po kung kailan niyo gusto magpa-demo at tulong ko kayo sa anytime. Subukan natin yan. So again, hindi to automated, hindi siya automated response. This one is assistive. Better for me, better when I'm serving clients. Mas maganda yung assistive intelligence, AI, no? Assistive intelligence kesa sa super automated. Why? Still, AI is still new. Okay? Kung nakaasang business sa pure AI, okay lang naman, but hindi controlled, yun ang mahirap. So ito, sakto to kung ang business is hindi pa nagre-rely or ayaw mag-rely sa automated response, they are more in control, nakikita nila at natututo sila ng gusto. Kasi yung sales team nila, yung marketing team or customer service team natututo rin. And alam nila paano nila i-automate yan next time. Okay? Sige. Okay po, bukas na lang 2 PM, puwede po ba? Ano mga need? Excited ako. Yan. So, getting medyo masaya para getting ko magbago yung sentiment. Yun, no? Happy na siya. Customer expresses initial skepticism due to past poor experience but shifts to curiosity and excitement. Ba, magandang ano na to, magandang senyales. Okay? So, let's say ito, tingnan natin yung iba. Hindi kasi nagre-reply so wala na tayong mga ano wala na tayong mga sentiment. Kasi hindi nagre-reply, hindi kasi active 'to. So, yes, excited po kami bukas to may perfect. Kailangan po namin ng basic info tungkol sa business niyo. 'Yun. So, gagawin ko, sabihin ko lang, pa-send po ng, business name, nature of business, email, email, phone number, 'yan. 'Yan, sabihin natin, boom. Then sasagutin ko kunyari 'no, siyempre. Usually nagka-copy paste na ng mga tao. Let's say, ABC Realty, nature of business, real estate, pero ano 'to, resorts. So email, let's say abc@gmail.com, yan, phone number 788899977. Boom. So mapapansin natin dahil naka-pancake tayo, magkakaroon dito ng yan, phone number. Tapos nandito kasi nag-convert na siya. It means lead na ako or customer. So, kay Pancake, malalaman natin yan dito sa mga pag-filter natin ng phone number, it means ito yung mga either lead or customer. Okay? So, let's say today, May sort ko is today only, so isa lang o dalawa makikita natin. Then sabihin natin dito, lahat lang ng may tag. So let's say tinag ko siya na, okay, this one is interested. Nakita mo may tag dito at magfi-filter lang ako ngayon ng mga interested. Example, yan. So makikita ko is ako lang, no? Ito lang, today. Okay? So ayan, isa lang yung makikita natin. Now, dito sa ano niya, sa part na 'to, meron tayong tinatawag na CRM. Ayan, contact. Let's say, I think ano 'to, let's say service. No, let's say leads, yan. So create tayo ng lead ng contact na 'to. Okay, i-assign ko sa akin sarili and then connect network, let's say Facebook, then yung status niya is rapport or let's say rapport, yan. Yung status. Ngayon mapupunta 'to sa aking CRM. Kasi nakuha ko na 'tong kanyang, details. So, that's how we process 'no. Very, process-oriented si Pancake pagdating sa, ah, sales channel ng chat kasi conversational marketing tayo, conversational commerce. And then idadala niya sa sales pipeline para yung team, sila ng bahala, okey? Aasikaso ng tatawagan nila, ipo-process nila, i-onboard nila, whatever, okey? So ngayon sabihin ko add ko siya and then meron tayong entry. May entry na tayo sa ating sorry, sa ating CRM. Hindi ko nakikita. Saan ko nilagay ulit yun? Sa clients ba? Sa leads. Yun, dito na tayo may leads. So, palitin ko lang. Yan. So, nandito na siya. Alright? So, ang status niya is new. And then, let's say na-contact ko na, no? Let's say na-contact ko na. Gagawin ko is itong lead na to, pwede kong tawagan yan. Okay, gagawin ko yan dito. Yan. Makita mo may calls. Depende kasi yan sa platform. So, medyo advanced to. Pero, dito yung makita yung listahan. Kasi, na-manage ko na siya sa CRM. Ngayon, gusto ko makita sa CRM yan. So, gagawin ko is I'll open it sa CRM. So, ito yung record niya sa CRM. So, ito na yung record. Ang gagawin ko dito is pwede ko siyang i-mark sa calendar. Let's say, gusto ko siyang i-schedule tomorrow. Sabi niya, tomorrow ng 2 p.m. Schedule ko na siya ng 2 p.m. Okay? Kasi nilagay naman yung kanya yung email address. So, pwede akong mag, so let's say confirm, pa-process ko na siya. So, notify ko 5 minutes before, yan, and then repeat, wala. So, like new option, sorry, mali daw. So, dapat 2 bukas ng 3, so 1.5 hours, and new options, boom, appointment created, makikita ko yun sa calendar ko, dito. And then, makita natin, by month, yan, meron tayong calendar, okay, pwede natin siyang i-sync sa Google Calendar, okay, so hindi naka-connect sa akin, pero okay lang, masi-sync yun, tapos may email din si customer, may email din yung business owner. Alright, so ganun, no? Ganun kadali dito, and then you can manage even the pipeline here. Pero it's not my topic for today. Yun. So how was it, no? Sa mga viewers natin dyan, if you have questions, let me know. This is how powerful AI. So introduction pa lang tayo, episode 1 pa lang tayo, pero we actually saw gaano ka-powerful yung training nito. Boom! Reply tayo ulit. Salamat sa info. Naka-note na po ang details ng ABC Realty. Nabasa niyo? Kaya ready na kami para sa demo bukas, 2 p.m. See you po. How is that? Nice. I think magiging successful kami this time. With Pancake. Ayan, no? So, if you think that this setup is parang, ay, ang dali sa atin, pero kailangan nyo ng help, you can actually comment below and then sisend ko sa'yo yung booking details if you want me to show you how it will work for you. Kung meron kang ganitong business similar or gusto mong deploy sa client mo, I'm free here and you can let me know. I'll give you my booking calendar or you can chat this page, no, para matulungan kita. You can also book a calendar with me. So, bigay ko lang yung ano niyan, yung page niyan. Bigla ako nakalimutan kung anong page 'to. Okay, so this is Coach DJ. Facebook. Hanapin ko lang, then pwede ko i-send. Oh, pancake. So this is my page, no? Send ko dito sa comment. Chat me here if you need help building this for your business in just 1 to 3 days. Boom. Okay, so ayan po yung ating link, no? I think nakita ko na ba yan? So, papakita ko dito. Yan. I think meron ako diyang, meron akong shortcut lang sa Messenger. Tingnan ko nga yung Messenger ko. Share natin yung ating Messenger link. So I think the link there is m.me/coach DJ, something like that. Tingnan ko nga. Hindi ko maalala yung mismong Coach DJ ba yun? O DJ Coach? No. Tingnan natin guys. Kasi hindi ko rin maalala yung link ko. Okay. Okay, wala siya, no? Hindi ko siya nilagyan ng mismong link. Pero you can contact me here. Edit natin yan. Yan. Sabihin natin. Yun. Yan, ito yung link. If you need help. Okay. Pero stay tuned dito kasi you will learn more paano gamitin yung AI with Pancake. Kasi here, you can connect a lot of channels. So pinakita ko last time, you can connect multiple channels like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So pwede natin connect tayo. Dami ditong channels. Okay, nandito yung Threads, TikTok, yeah, WhatsApp, Telegram, Booking, ito pinakabago eh. So, booking.com, for ano yan sa mga Airbnb, yan. So, YouTube, of course, here, pwede rin. Nakalimutan ko i-connect eh, dapat ko connect ko yan. Hold on, ko-connect ko nga yan. Kasama dapat ang YouTube ko eh. Subscription, connection natin, YouTube natin. YouTube. YouTube ako, yan. Lagyan natin yan. You can actually comment and then see. Tignan natin. Oops. Dashboard. Let's see. YouTube. Yan. So, meron itong mga pwede ko itong replyan eh. Itong lahat ng to. Wala lang itong messages kasi lahat to comments. So, I can actually answer them. No? Pag nag-comment kayo sa aking YouTube live or video. So that's all. I hope you learned something here. Make sure to subscribe, share, like, comment below if you have questions. I love to showcase more about Pancake. And next time we'll be doing Botcake. Pero this is the update of Pancake and with their AI. Amazing platform. And I really want to help businesses this time how they can leverage Pancake to grow their business. So sa mga hindi nakapanood, make sure to watch this, rewatch this video kasi it's just less than an hour. Pero pinakita ko sa dito how you can build or you can enable AI assisted system sa inyong sales channel, marketing channel, and your customer service. Okay, so ciao. Hope you're doing well and see you on my next live.